Maybe you turn to be two side by side facing that doorway. One behind them and then two side by side.
Flight engineer, prepare then. Hit your flashing button. You'd better be faster when we get into real trouble. Right, pilot? Push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left. Move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right. Pull back on the stick to fly out. And push forward to fly down. Only one gunner. Oh, good shot. Weapons are online. Left pilot. Hit the boosters. Now let's go get that coaxial. Right pilot. Make the jump to light speed.
Make the jump. I don't know how. I like that. That was fun.
There is the train. Jump. Papa. Those heavy ties are protecting the train. Take them out.
Don't turn the TV. You gotta go this right now.
They've locked onto us. Take evasive action. Gunners, we need to defend ourselves. Open fire. Gunners, blast away. Blast. Ah, there it is. After that train. Right engineers, fire the harpoon. Now, gunners, shoot the car. Let's pilot brakes. Oh, my friends, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse.
Maybe this is your fault.
Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friends. Now power up the ship. Well, I
It's back on.
go axial. You see, just as I promised, my friend. Come on, let's get another container of coaxium. Pilots, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Gunners, shoot the train. Engineers, reel us closer. Oh, that's ridiculous. Things are getting too hot. Let me know this. Yes, and this is action. Fire the missiles at the train. Hurry.
Maybe we gotta get out.
It's coming down. Let's fire it. Move. We're getting it. Yes, look. But we made it. Now, let's get out of here. Yes, Chewie will pilot us in remotely. You retrieved one container of coaxium. This would greatly help the resistance. You have heard the first order and made Chewie proud. Now after my modest profit, your cut, minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon, is... Ooh, that feels rough.
Oh, Maddie, we didn't lose again. That's on you, hon. 22%. Wow.
All right,
We
damage
may or may
report.
not have failed this mission.
Engine failure. All right. Hyperdrive leak. That is not too good. Multiple hull ruptures. Well, it could be worse. Life support failure. Whoa! Looks like we are ready to unload.
That was
Let's go, Chris. Get your cargo, you guys. Smile this way.